Hello friends, today we are going to play a fun game. We're playing Guess the Farm Animal. Here's how you play. Read or listen to the clues carefully. Then, listen to the sound each animal makes. And lastly, guess the farm animal. Are you ready to play? Let's go. It likes to eat grass. It provides milk. It's a big farm animal. Let's listen to the sound. It's a cow. It has feathers. It can lay eggs. Its baby is called a chick. Let's listen to the sound. It's a hen. It likes to eat grass. It provides wool. Its baby is called a lamb. Let's listen to the sound. It's a sheep. It has feathers. It has webbed feet. Its baby is called a duckling. Let's listen to the sound. It's a duck. It runs fast. It can be ridden. Its baby is called a foal. Let's listen to the sound. It's a horse. It's bigger than a chicken. It has huge feathers. Its baby is called a poult. Let's listen to the sound. It's a turkey. It has a curly tail. It's usually the color pink. It loves to play in the mud. Let's listen to the sound. It's a pig. Good job, everyone. Here's a star. Thank you for playing. Αν σας άρεσε αυτό το βίντεο, μην ξεχάσετε να κάνετε κλικ στο like. Για περισσότερα βιντεάκια όπως αυτό, κάντε μια εγγραφή στο κανάλι μας για να τα απολαύσετε όλα.